Hello all, welcome to the day 41 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Khushi wants to organize her birthday party. Being health conscious, she decided to serve only fruits at her birthday party. She bought 36 apples and 60 bananas and decided to distribute fruits equally among all. Based on this, we have to answer the following questions. Question 1. How many guests Khushi can invite at the most? So that depends upon how many apples and bananas are there to be shared. So let's get the HCF of these two numbers. HCF is 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. So she can invite 12 guests. Question 2. How many apples and bananas will each guest get? 36 apples are there in all. So divided by 12 gives 3. That is, each guest can be given 3 apples. Total bananas are 60, 60 by 12, so 5. Each guest gets 3 apples and 5 bananas. Question 3. If Khushi decides to add 42 mangoes, how many guests can Khushi invite at the most? Let's include this 42 also in our HCF calculation. 46, 42 and 60. HCF is 6. That is, she can invite 6 guests. Question 4. If the cost of 1 dozen bananas is 60, the cost of 1 apple is 15, the cost of 1 mango is 20. Find the total amount spent on 60 bananas, 36 apples and 42 mangoes. 1 apple rate is given. For mango, 1 mango rate is given. For bananas, it is for 12. Cost of 12 bananas is 60. So cost of 1 banana is 60 upon 12, that is rupees 5. Now let's get the total cost for 60 bananas, that is 60 into 5 plus 36 into per apple rate is 15 plus 42 mangoes, 42 into 1 mango rate is 20, which is 300 plus 540 plus 840, that is rupees 1680. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.